Hi, welcome back to Dad Talk Network. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Today I'm back in the kitchen with my wife Tracy. So Tracy, what are we cooking today?
So today we're going to make a pancake version of a sausage, egg, and cheese muffin sandwich. And this is a great breakfast that you can freeze ahead of time and just pop it in the microwave for a minute, minute and a half, and you're on a go. You'll love this recipe. It's delicious. We're using blueberries in the pancake mix and you'll love it. So here I'm going to describe the ingredients to the muffin breakfast sandwich. So here I have about a 12-ounce package of breakfast sausage, pork sausage. You can do turkey, any type of breakfast sausage that you like. However, about a 12-ounce package, you prepare it and cook it ahead of time and then cut into these small pieces. I have a package of Colby Jack cheese here. You can buy, I buy the big package because I'm going to use it ahead of time in different recipes, but an 8-ounce package will do just fine. I have about 8 to 9 eggs beaten here, a cup of blueberries, and then I have about a heaping tablespoon of flour, which I will add to the blueberries. It's important to do this because you don't want the blueberries to sink to the bottom of your muffins. So what it does, it helps it to stay in its position throughout the muffin itself. I have a 1/4 cup of either milk or half and half, whatever you have in the fridge. And you'll need about 3 to 4 cups of pancake mix. You can buy the complete pancake mix out of the box and prepare it ahead of time, or you can utilize your own homemade recipe of pancake mix. Measuring cup just for pouring the eggs. Once I mix the milk into the eggs, I'll pour it into into this pouring cup, I call it. It's a measuring cup, just for ease to pour into the muffin pans. To add the 1/4 cup of milk or half and half into your eggs, beaten eggs, and stir. I'm going to add the flour. Want to coat the blueberries with the flour. You can begin assembling into your muffin pans. So I have 2 muffin pans. So I'm going to make a total of 6 of these little mini muffin sandwiches. So this one pan is enough to make 6 sandwiches. So you're using 2 muffins per sandwich. So this is enough to make 6 sandwiches here. So this is 6 muffin slots. And then you just need 1 egg omelet here per sandwich. So 6 omelets I'm making per sandwich. And within each omelet, I'm putting the sausage and the cheese. So I'll first start with the eggs, and I'll put a couple of pieces of, a few pieces of sausage there, and then I'll add some cheese. And then I'm going to put the eggs in the in the cup here. So what I'm going to do is I put the sausage and the cheese in, and don't forget to please put Pam in your muffin pan. Make sure you spray each muffin opening with Pam ahead of time, so that your pancake mixture doesn't stick and that your egg mixture doesn't stick. So I put some sausage and cheese in, then I'll put some egg in there. And then I'll finish with some more, a little bit more sausage and some cheese on the top. And I'll do the same for each cup. So now that I completed the mini muffin eggs, now I'm going to do the pancake portion of the sandwich. So here I have also prepared with Pam the muffin slots. And what I'll do is in each one, I'll begin placing some blueberries. And then I'll fill each muffin tin with the pancake mix. Okay, now I'm to the last muffin tin. I have them all filled about 3/4 of the way. Okay. If you have any pancake mix left over in your container, you can always freeze it in a freezer bag and use it at another time. So now I'm just going to put the remaining blueberries in. So you just want to push them in a bit, the berries. Okay, so I have the oven on preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will place these in the oven and let it bake. The muffins bake until golden brown and done in the center. You can check it with a fork, and until the eggs are not soft in the center. You can also check that where it's not jiggly in the center. Okay, I will place the pans in the oven, center of the rack. For both pans, I'll place them in long ways. The eggs will probably finish first. I'll just watch them with the oven light on. Okay, so the eggs are ready, so I'm going to take that out and let the muffins remain. The eggs are cooked all the way through. I'll place them off to the side, and then I'll move the muffins, pancake muffins, to the center and let that finish. You can see the blueberries are already starting to pop open. They're cooking nicely. Okay, so the muffins are done. I'm going to take them out. So as you can see, they puffed up rather nicely. You can actually cut the tops off of these muffins, or you can cut the muffin in half, long ways here to make your sandwich if you don't want to use 2 muffins for your sandwich. But the recipe calls for 2 full muffins for the sandwich. The muffin, you take 2 muffins out. I'll take these 2. And upside down, you'll put the egg and the muffin together to create a sandwich. You press them together.
Okay, so now the taste test.
And we have some syrup on the side to dip. They're quite hefty little breakfast sandwiches.
Good. Actually, finger licking good. So,
Delicious.
give this recipe a try. Hopefully you'll like it. But pretty good.
I'm gonna keep eating.
As always, thank you for watching Dad Talk Network and our series of Back in the Kitchen. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Thank you, and look forward to a new video coming soon. Now let's go finish eating the rest of this.
I'm going to finish my breakfast sandwich.